Now students, I am taking here next point, adjective clause with relative adverbs. Already we have studied about the relative adverbs in a previous lecture, that when, why, how and where. These are the relative adverbs. These relative adverbs are used in adjective clause and make a meaningful sentence. So students, I am taking here number one, just like I do not know the time when Rajdhani Express arrives. This is here, there are two, Rajdhani Express arrives and I do not know the time. These two sentences are here given, but these two sentences are combined, are joined by relative adverbs. Adverbs means, relative adverbs means here, this word when is telling the time when the Rajdhani Express arrives. So what is I am telling here? This one is sentence is joined here with the relative adverbs and make a meaningful sentence. Number two, I am taking here, tell me the office where she works. Tell me the office means what is here? This is the one sentence, and she works, this is another sentence, and this is joined with the relative adverbs where, WHERE, and it is making here meaningful sentence. So we use here relative adverbs for making an adjective clause here. Number next is here, this is the way how you can do this sum. Means here we are telling this is the way, this is one, and how you can do this sum. How you can do this sum, this is the main clause here, and this is the independent clause. And while we add with it, how is a means method, means how an action is done, where an action is done, and when an action is done. Already I have told you this is the main thing for the adverbs, and this relative adverbs is expressing here that this is the way how you can do this sum. So this is also adverb adjective clause here. Number fourth, I am taking, children, I do not know the reason why she misbehaved with me. There is also reason also I am telling here, reason telling. Already I have told you this is also coming in a adverb clause, adverb relative adverbs, and it is defining, or we can use these relative adverbs and make a adjective clause here. So we are using, for showing the reason of a sentence, we use why as an adverb here, relative adverbs, and make a meaningful sentence with the adjective clause. So students, with the help of these examples, we can be able to understand what kind of the adverbs are there and how can we make adverbs.